Maskandi Star Khuzani comes through for struggling students. Udaba lubhalwe nge-13 Agasti kuJabulani Langa we-Daily Sun. Udaba lufundeka kanje. The annual Gcwalisa Spring Picnic All-White changes its criteria to book musicians to help students. For the past 3 years, the top music festival in Kings Park Stadium, Durban, was booking top musicians according to their views on YouTube, and those who had the latest songs with more viewership were booked. The fourth annual festival, set to take place on 8th November in Durban, has revised its initial criteria. They have introduced the voting line to raise funds to support students struggling to pay their outstanding NSFAS loans. The picnic, organized by Maskandi Star Khuzani Bongos, is a highlight of the festival where top Maskandi musicians join forces on stage with leading artists from other genres. Previously, the top 10 musicians selected to perform were chosen based on their YouTube viewership, with many songs surpassing a million views. Khuzani said this year they decided to start a new way to help the students, and that it will allow fans to select the musicians they want to see by voting. This year, fans will choose which musician they want to see on standby by SMSing the name of the musician to 31672, and the SMSs are not limited. The money made on the voting lines will go directly to the funds to help students who have debts at the university. So voting is not just a game, but it's a way of helping students, he said. Khuzani announced that fans can vote for any Maskandi musician with a song that has 1 million or more views on YouTube or Spotify, regardless of the release year. Voting can be done via SMS. To vote, they must start with the name, Gcwalisa, followed by the name of the musician, and send it to 31672. The voting lines will be closed on the 26th of September at midnight. He said Khuzani has helped many students to register at university, and one of the students he helped is Dr. Ngobeko Langa, 26 years of age, who is now an intern doctor at Eddington Hospital in Durban. Lufundeka kanjalo-ke udaba olulaphana kwi-Daily Sun, lubhalwe ubani? uJabulani Langa. Usaphinda yona-ke leya nto esike sakhuluma ngayo phambilini, noKhuzani ake wayiveza indaba yokuthi uvotela noma yimuphi umculi ofisa ukumbona kule festival ezobe iseThekwini laphana nge-8 kaNovemba. Akukuningi okunye-ke, indaba ingabafundi abazosizwa, abahlwempu abangakwazi ukuthi bebhadale iy'koloto zabo, ikakhulukazi uNSFAS lo osuke ubasizile uthi ukuthi sekumele bethole imiphumela yabo abasakhoni. Okuyigxadi elihle kakhulu le elizobasiza kakhulu ngoba abazali, iy'ngane zikhuliswa ogogo, zikhuliswa omkhulu, so amandla baye bengabi nawo okwangempela. Sibonge ukuthi lento ekanjena ikhona futhi izoqhubeka. Sithembe nokuthi-ke ukuvota kuzohamba kahle-ke, kuvale ngazo i-26, ebese sayithola-ke i-top 10 yabaculi abazoba ingxenye yalo mcimbi-ke, i-Spring Picnic Gcwalisa elapha eMabhida. Indaba-ke ilapho-ke, akukuningi-ke bese sokhuluma ngakho-ke. Bonge ithuba, sesiyodibana ngokuzayo, sesizokhuluma ngomunye umsebenzi-ke okumayelana nomaskandi. Ngibonge ithuba.